Marvelous, marvelous, marvelous. This your brother Michael with some more motivation for you. Listen, nature is the world's reset button. I'm from an urban area, grew up in the city all my life. Life can get hectic. It can be filled with pressures. You can be wanting to get anxious and worry and just crumble sometimes and seek relief. God structured that relief for us. It's called nature. Get yourself to a local park. Get yourself to a waterway. Get yourself to the woods where you can get some green, where you can breathe in some fresh air, or you can get away. Sit down. Let nature do what nature do. Let it take away all your frustrations and fill you with some life. Be encouraged.